Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the official unboxing and setup of the Vizio 28-inch E-Series Smart LED HD TV. I got this from Walmart for about $174, so it was a pretty decent price along with my Walmart discount card. And so, yeah, we're going to unbox this baby, and I'm so excited. We're going to put it right here on the bookshelf. I'm going to clean that out later, and yeah. Let's get started. And we've got the instructions, some screws, we might need a screwdriver, and some Vizio batteries. Pretty sure that that's it. Yep, that's it. Alright, so let's just take the TV out. Gotta be kind of careful because it's kind of heavy, guys. Okay, so then we need to take the base out. How's the battery on the camera? It's good. Wow, this is one fancy little base. It is a fancy base. And that's what it looks like unwrapped. So, yeah. So we'll be right back as soon as I lift up the TV. Alright guys, back to recording. I'm just gonna need some Phillips screwdriver here. And I'm gonna take the remote and put batteries on it. We might as well real quick. Because this is really cool. I love this tiny remote. We need Phillips screwdrivers. I think there's some in the kitchen downstairs, I'm pretty sure. But I'm going to go install the batteries real quick. Are you guys getting this? No, you're not. Okay, there we go. I hate these child scissors so much. They are crazy. Because they don't open anything. Sorry guys, I'm trying to unbox this. Oh, there they come. Only reason I'm putting batteries on this is because in case if I don't get a hold of Dish Network tonight, I'm actually going to call them. If for some reason my cameras run out of battery, we'll take over on the iPhone 6. Because I want to get this thing on video. And there you have them installed. I'll make sure I put it in the right way. And there you have it. And we'll be right back with the Phillips. And now, hopefully I have the right screwdriver. Because we don't have very many screwdrivers in this house. Alright, just a second, guys. Yeah, this goes on the bottom soon. Not sure. Let's see. Alright, let me figure this out, guys. Because somehow we gotta get the TV again. Because basically, I think that it's supposed to be installed like so. This, I think I've actually never installed a TV base before, so I apologize if I'm horrible at this. Screws are supposed to go in like that. Okay guys, I apologize. Got some screws in. So, I think I got the TV the right way, but I'm not sure if my actual screwdrivers are gonna work, but this is a pretty good screwdriver. Sorry. Come on, stay in there, will you? Sorry. Because this is a Phillips head screwdriver, so it should work. Is that all the screws that it has? I'm pretty sure that there's more on each side. Whoa, I almost dropped them. I don't know if I'm doing this right, guys. It might be the right way because all the screws are going in properly, and the base on the picture looked like it was going in properly. And the other screw, I believe, goes here. Like I said, this is like the best screwdriver our family has, so hopeful that this is the right way. Looks like it stays, but I need to put the screws on tight. Yep, it's working. I just need to tighten the screws. Hopefully my Samsung camera will have enough battery for this setup video because there's still more to do. Oh yeah, this is working. It's perfect. Still a little loose. Sorry if I'm blocking. Hopefully I'm not blocking too much of the TV, guys. We'll stand it up in a minute. because like I said, it's going to be put on this bookshelf, which is eventually I'm going to update to getting a dresser. But at this point, I don't have any money. So unfortunately, we are stuck with the bookshelf for a little while. And when we do assemble the dresser, we'll get that on YouTube. Let's be extremely tight. Whoops. This screw could. How much battery are we on? I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Okay, I think this should be pretty good, guys, because the screws will not go on anymore. Shit. Okay, looks like it's being supported. And we'll be right back in just a sec. Alright guys, let's make this quick. Here's our new TV. As you can tell, it's pretty darn nice, isn't it? It looks fancy. I'm gonna take this other energy guide crap out. It's totally stuck in there. There we go, guys. I like the bass better. The TV looks like it might have better sound. Okay, and then this part is just the connection, which I might need a freaking extension cord for. Because that's where my extension cord is, down there. And then we'll clean up the bookshelf, and I'm going to put my computers in the lower shelf. Because this definitely is not enough length for it, I doubt it. Because I've got a very small space here. Okay, so we are going to flip this a little over. And we're going to connect that part just right here. I'm going to try to put it on this way. I'm going to angle the TV a little bit, because I kind of want it at an angle. And I have an extension cord here, which really helps hugely. So I will plug it into the extension cord, which leads right to the outlet. There we are. And crap, I gotta connect the cable now. I don't know where that cable is. Here we are. And now we're going to connect the cable so we can get TV in here. So once again, I'm sorry if this video is not the best. Oh, it's going to be hard to reach. This is all tangled, but I think it'll be okay. Got to connect the proper cable here. Who wrapped the cable up like that? Not me. Oh, let's see the status of the camera real quick. Okay, sorry, I just had to check the battery on the camera because it's running very low. It just mirrors the TV kind of loose. this is the right, yeah. I got it, guys. Because like I said, I'm paying Dish Network every month, and so it wouldn't be fair. It feels like this cap is just... It's going in. Okay, I think it's connected to the cable, so... I'll put the cords back here if we can, because it looks disorganized. Perfect. And that's it, and we're gonna do setup. Alright guys, I'm gonna stand behind the camera. We're gonna do our very first boot up of our new TV, so here we go. Hopefully it'll turn on. Again, it's the remote's kind of weird. There we go. There it is. You gotta watch that white light. Home use. Oh, I don't know if you guys are getting that. I'll zoom in and so you guys can see. There we go. Home use. English, because I don't speak Spanish. United States of America. I accept. And I accept. Next. Okay, sorry guys, I want you guys to see. Okay, so, holy cow. Okay, I'm not gonna hook up to my internet on this, although I can. Okay, because I've got my computer. Yeah. Cable. So we'll begin our scan. Sorry, my camera's not focusing, guys. I really truly am sorry. Now scanning channels. Scanning channels. There, so you guys can see. It's gonna take a while. And then we will call Dish Network, and we're gonna program it to work with a Dish Network remote. So give it about a minute. And we'll be right back once it's done scanning because I don't have much battery, so that's it. Alright guys, here's an update on the TV. It is still scanning channels as of right now. I did take some Instagram photos for the TV and stuff, so if if you want to see pictures, just follow me on future_IT_14. That's where you're going to find lots and lots of pictures of various things. So make sure you do follow me there. So we're just going to keep filming here. Hopefully my battery is going to hold up. Let's see here. Sorry, guys. Okay, we'll just name it cable. Exits a live TV. There we go. I was just trying to adjust. So, sorry, it's got the Greek channel on. This is
it was serious. Fortunately, my doctor had a game plan. Treatment with Xarelto. Hey guys. Hey, finally somebody I can look up to. Besides, Xarelto is proven to treat and help reduce the risk.
So now we need to call Dish Network.
Xarelto is also proven to reduce the risk of stroke in people with AFib, not caused by a heart valve problem.
For people with AFib currently well managed on warfarin, there is limited information on how Xarelto and warfarin compare in reducing the risk of stroke.
You know, I tried warfarin, but the blood testing and dietary restrictions.
Don't get me started on that. I didn't have to. We started on Xarelto. Nice pass.
Safety first.
Like all blood thinners, don't stop taking Xarelto without talking to your doctor, and this may increase your risk of a blood clot or stroke. While taking, you may bruise more easily, and it may take longer for bleeding to stop. Xarelto may increase your risk of bleeding if you take certain medicines. Xarelto can cause serious and, in rare cases, fatal bleeding. Get help right away for unexpected bleeding, unusual bruising, or tingling. If you have had spinal anesthesia while on Xarelto, watch for back pain or any nerve and also related signs or symptoms. Do not take Xarelto if you have an artificial heart valve or abnormal bleeding. Tell your doctor before all planned medical or dental procedures. Before starting Xarelto, tell your doctor about any kidney, liver, or bleeding problems.
Now, Xarelto is the number one prescribed blood thinner in its class.
That's a big win. It is for me.
With Xarelto, there is no regular blood monitoring and no known dietary restrictions.
Treatment with Xarelto was the right move for us.
okay. So we got contrast looks good.
When heartburn hits, fight back fast. Tums Smoothie starts dissolving the instant it touches your tongue and neutralizes stomach acid at the source. Smoothies, only from Tums.
Breaking news at 6 calls for peaceful protests before a video is released of teenage Laquan McDonald allegedly being shot
Sorry,
16
guys.
times by a Chicago police officer. You may drive it every day, the worst traffic bottleneck in the country, right here in Chicago.
Fondling a firefighter who put his life on the line and paid a terrible price. Juju Chang on the dad, given a new chance to smile.
It's a family reunion, 14 years in the making.
Alright, that's perfect. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
In 2001, Mississippi firefighter Pat Hardison risked his life to run into a burning building on a rescue. His entire face burned. Doctors at NYU Langone Medical Center select Pat to become the most extensive face transplant ever attempted. Another young man man's tragedy and his family's generosity make the transplant possible. The team works on Pat straight through the night. The final sutures in place 26 hours after surgery began. What's it like to feel your ears for the first time?
Something I thought I would not never do again.
Slowly, he's learning to use his new face.
Go ahead and pucker and smile.
Alright guys, sorry about that. I'm just trying to adjust the picture.
Heroes welcome for Pat.
So I think that's a pretty good picture.
ABC News, New York.
Much more on Nightline.
Yep, that's pretty bright. I like that. Alright, so now...
From Chicago's #1 news, ABC 7 Eyewitness.
So we'll be right back. I'm going to call Dish Network. Alright guys, we're going to call Dish Network with the iPhone 6. And you guys get to be there with me. So I'm going to call Dish Network. I'm going to turn off the volume though, so I can hear. Sorry. Calling Dish, guys. No survey. This is Maria Hidos. Good, how are you? Okay, I just bought a new Vizio TV tonight and I want it to work with my Dish Network remote. Yeah, just for the volume and to turn it on and off, that's it. Thank you. Okay. Okay, 21.0 IR UHF Pro. You're welcome. Oh no, just a basic TV, yeah. Okay. Okay. Sure. The which one? Clear? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, they did. Oh. Okay, yep. Okay. Okay, they did? Nope. Okay. Yeah, lit up. 5, 2, 3. Yeah, nothing's working with this one either. Okay. Okay. 5, 9, 8. Yeah, volume's not working. Pound, pound, pound. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright, let me see. Okay, what's the code? 505. Nothing's working. Okay. 5, 2, 3. The pound is that little thing that looks like the thing on the right, on the bottom, right? Yeah, that's what I was doing. Okay. Yeah, that one didn't work. Okay, let's see here. Okay. 5, 9, 8. No, it's not working. Okay. Okay. Nope. Okay. No, it's not working. Right. Alright. Nope. No, not working. Okay. No, it's not working. Alright, I'm ready. It's not working. Yeah, they did. But then when I press pound, 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 it goes to themes and search. Is it supposed to do that? Yeah. Search, the search button when I do pound. Alright guys, I gotta make this quick. So we did not hook up the Dish Network to work with the volume. So they did say they were gonna send me a new one. So yeah, we will hopefully get it to work. Until then, we got this. So yeah, my battery's out. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, and I'll talk to y'all soon.